Good morning, and welcome to the Leap Podcast, your concise, level-headed crypto market update from Leap Digital Investments. I'm Patrick Penn. It's Friday, 9th of January, 2026. The market is holding steady in early 2026 rotation, with Bitcoin trading at $91,196, up 0.2%, Ethereum at $3,114, down 1.1%, and Solana at $138.73, up 2%. Price action feels balanced, but watchful. No signs of euphoria or panic. Listen for the summary at the end. For now, let's leap in. Bitcoin up slightly at 0.2%. Consolidating after the pullback from $126,000 highs. Short-term holder cost basis around $99,000 provides overhead resistance, with recent ETF outflows of 970 BTC on January 7, adding mild pressure. We're trading in the $80,000 to $90,000 range established late last year, with support holding firm. Positive leading tailwinds. Bernstein reaffirming $150,000 US dollar target for 2026 and 200,000 cycle peak amid tokenization expectations. Florida advancing legislation for a strategic Bitcoin reserve, permitting up to 10% of select public funds in BTC and ETFs. The crypto market structure bill gaining bipartisan momentum in the Senate, with markup discussions underway for potential early year progress. On the cautionary side, mixed ETF flows persist. Strong early January inflows followed by recent outflows, yet institutional positioning remains constructive. Ethereum down 1.1%, but regulatory and network strength shines through. Morgan Stanley's S-1 filing for an Ethereum Trust on January 7 adds heavyweight institutional validation. Validator exit queue nears collapse, signals renewed conviction. Daily transactions at all-time highs, eclipsing 2021 levels. Bearish notes include $2.8 billion in spot ETF outflows from peak and network revenue down 75% year over year to $666 million, though downside appears limited amid staking and adoption trends for Ethereum. Solana is up 2%, extending performance leadership. Wyoming's FRNT stablecoin, the first state issued, launched on Solana January 8th. Morgan Stanley filing S-1 for a Solana trust alongside Ethereum. Stablecoin market cap doubling to $15 billion in 2025. Broader trends point to institutional normalization. Major banks like Morgan Stanley filing BTC, ETH, and Sol Trust, state-level reserves emerging with Florida joining Texas and New Hampshire to build out Bitcoin reserves. Behavioral signals are mixed as loss aversion is easing on minor recoveries. We're in classic early year dynamics, where capital often rotates into risk assets amid macro uncertainty, but volatility looms if sentiment shifts on unresolved catalysts like bill progress or Fed signals. In summary, short-term consolidation at play, profit-taking and resistance overhead. While institutions scale into infrastructure on multi-year horizons, reserves, regulated products, tokenized finance, high performance chains. Unless broader risk off emerges, this is viewed as pause within the current market cycle, positioned for breakout on regulatory clarity. Polymarket odds and sentiment reflects extremes, but the plumbing advances steadily. Bank filings, state reserves, bipartisan legislation. Institutional adoption shifting from experimentation to commitment. Solana solidifying execution edge, Ethereum anchoring enterprise, all amid mild pressure but structural tailwinds. That concludes your market update for the 9th of January 2026. Remain calm, zoom out, and stay informed. See YouTube and Spotify links for more information. Thank you for listening to the Leap Podcast.